guys, it's Caitlin
and Craig,
and today we are working on taking the roof off so that we can start rebuilding our new roof.
I got this side loosened up, so next up will be the other side, and then hopefully we can just roll it up and we'll have a convertible. Hey guys, so today we are working on removing our roof. This guy here, it's got a lot of pinholes in it just from having water sitting on it over the years. So I'll show you a few steps in case you ever need to take your roof off. First, you have to take off this vinyl cover that covers up the screw heads. Ours is really brittle, so it just breaks. And then next, they're 1/4-inch screws. I'm removing them with a small little impact wrench. They come out pretty easy. And then after that, you can just use a paint scraper, like this guy, to pry away this piece of trim. It does have caulking along the underside and top that's kind of holding it on, so that's what you're breaking free. And then after that, I don't have any exposed on this side, so I'll show in a little bit, but there are also small staples fastening the roof. So this tin here folds over the edge, and then there are staples fastening it in as well. So you have to pry those out, and that's all. The roof doesn't even appear to be glued to the plywood underneath it. So you can just pop it off. Yeah, yeah, it is. Guys, today we're at Valley Iron and we're getting our 1-inch square tubing for our cross bracing supports for our new roof. So we're using 1-inch square tubing, 0.065 thick, which is 1/16 of an inch thick, and they're cutting it for us right now. Just you can show just across the parking lot.
You guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Cool.
There we are.
Got our new metal. 2 should be the exact same length. How we gonna cut? Yep. And then this last one we'll cut it to get it exact. That's the stuff that's gonna hold our roof up. Yeah, this is a lot stronger than a piece of wood.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Craig here. Just picking up the aluminum metal we're gonna use to build our new roof. We bought it from a tractor trailer repair store. Pretty big place, really nice facility. They repair tractor trailers here. So the aluminum, here it is, the aluminum sheeting, it's gonna be one continuous piece, which is really nice. So we won't have any seams on our new roof. And this is the same stuff they use on the top of semi-tractor trailers. So should be pretty good stuff. It's 0.04 thick, I believe. I'll check on that. But yeah, They sell it here for $15.99 per linear foot. So we needed 17 feet, which would cost about $270. Or in fact, it did cost that. We did buy a remnant piece since they were out of their main roll, so we actually got 26 feet for the price of 17. So that was kind of a nice bonus. Got 9 feet for free. So yeah, there you go. Hey guys, it's Craig and
Caitlin!
Today we are working on building back our roof. This is what our roof is going to look like. We're building it back just like the manufacturer did for the most part. So it's a thin layer of plywood and then 1x1 wood framing, as well as a couple stronger 1x1 square tube metal supports. And then in between the framing is just 1-inch styrofoam insulation. And then on top will be another layer of plywood. And this will form the composite core of our roof. And then we'll pop it up top and then cover the whole thing in aluminum. That's the plan. No, that's good. Let's just try and even it up. It should be about 1 inch overhang. Honestly, it doesn't even matter too much right now, but just to help it stay centered. So now we can just move the ladders to the back and try and curl that end under. Kind of push it up in the air. Perfect, just like that. And now, let me see here. Now we'll try and pull it back. Perfect. And now kind of pull this forward again. There you go. Yep. Let's pull it back. Here we are working on pulling the roofing material back. And the reason we are doing this is because we're trying to get a bend in the front edge of the roof. And while we were working on putting this bend in, the roof kept wanting to slide off because the material was wanting to slide off the back of the camper. So we decided we would roll up the back of the roof, and that would give us more room to work on getting that bend in the front edge of the roof, as you'll soon see. Here we are free-forming a bend in the metal roofing to match the curve at the front of the camper. I didn't know of a good way to bend it, so we just were putting the front edge down and then applying pressure to bend it, which eventually worked.